Morning guys, my name's Eileen, I'm just going to be your trainer today. We're going to do something a wee bit different. We're going to learn a wee bit of origami. Okay, so do you know what origami is? You ever heard of it before?
Chinese?
It's basically initially Japanese. Okay, so we're going to cover what origami is, a couple of folding techniques, how you assemble a piece of origami, and eventually at the end of the session we're going to be able to produce a piece of our own which will be a jumping frog. Okay? So origami is the art of paper folding, which is often associated with Japanese culture. The goal basically is to transform a flat sheet of paper into a finished sculpture through folding and sculpting techniques. But any piece of material will do, a flat piece of material, as long as it can hold a crease. Okay? So it could be cardboard, could be paper, anything that could hold a crease, but not material. So you couldn't use a bit of tape because it wouldn't be able to hold the crease. Okay, do you understand what I mean?
Yep.
Okay. Two basic folding techniques then, using origami. One's a valley fold, and the other's a mountain fold, and they are just the opposite of each other. So if you think about it, a valley would be a V shape, like that, and a mountain is the exact opposite. Okay, so valley fold and mountain fold. They're both done along the vertical line of a piece of paper, and depending on which way you fold it, will depend whether it's a valley fold or whether it's a mountain fold. Okay. Okay. To make the origami jumping frog, which is what we are going to do today, what I'll do first is I'll show you how to make the frog. We'll kind of break it down into components and how we all put it together, and then you're going to make your own jumping frog. Okay? So I've got different pieces of paper here. Now I've got just plain bits of paper because I want to show you how you can do it on just a plain piece of paper. You don't have to have anything fancy, just a normal A4 piece of paper. So guys, you want to come across and just see it? Okay, everybody can see what I'm doing?
Yep.
Okay, so initially you fold the piece of paper in half and you make a nice crease in the middle. The way you crease the paper will be the better way of folding the paper out, so you have to have a nice sharp crease on it. Okay, so that's the first bit. I'll explain it all after I've done this, okay? You'll be able to see how simple it is to do. Remember, you've got to have nice flat pieces. You're following?
Just about.
I'm going to split it down and show you exactly what you have to do, and the instructions are on the screen, and I'll go over each bit of it. And there you go. There's your wee jumping frog. Yeah? Okay. So I'll just get a piece of paper now for everybody. Okay. And I'm going to just do the exact same. I'll show you how to do it, and I'll break it up into wee bits. I've gone green for a frog.
Makes
Okay.
sense.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So how you do it is actually on there. So if you can just watch me once more. So you start with a rectangular sheet of paper. No, don't you do it just now, I'm just going to talk through it. So you're going to fold it in half. nice sharp creases like I said earlier. Okay, you bring one, it doesn't matter which one you bring down first, but you bring, say it's the right hand side, and it's down so that it's at right angles. This here's a right angle. Okay, and then you have to have a sharp crease again. Okay, and then you'll be able to see the outline of it. It is, honestly, you will be able to get it. It looks quite technical to start with, but once you see exactly how to do it, you'll find it quite easy. So putting a wee cross in the middle here, you fold this side down. This here is the crease that you're going to put in next, and you fold that back on itself, like that. You see what I've done there? Okay, and then you do the exact same on the other side. Okay, so you fold that piece in, nice crease, and then fold along this line here. Okay. Okay, these bits here are eventually going to be the frog's legs. Okay, if you think about it at the front of it. So you half that again, so you've got a wee triangle, again 90-degree angle, and then again, the other side. Okay, one side you bring into the centre crease, other side into the centre crease. Okay, and the bottom bit now, see the two wee points here? You bring that bottom bit up to where the points are, make a fold there, and then bring this bit back down to the bottom. And that's your wee jumpy bit at the back. Yeah? So there's your wee legs, and that's your frog. Okay, and you can, if you want, put some eyes on it. Okay? Right, I've got instructions for you. There's one for each of you, which you can follow. Okay? The only thing to try and remember is to make sure that the creases are as sharp as they possibly can be. Okay? Yes. So, if there's any questions though, just ask me. So, just nice and slowly, so you get the creases nice and sharp. That's good. Well done, guys. That's good, yeah. Okay, your maps here though, if you get stuck, just keep a wee eye on what you're doing. This is something you can use, you know, when we do half-day camps, something for the kids to practice a wee bit of art. Pardon?
I think you can frogs now.
So nice sharp creases. Yeah, that's good, Tom. Keep going. Try and get that, that's it. Try and get it even amongst that. That's it, well done, Neil. Yeah. With any piece of origami, there'll be a diagram that you'll be able to follow. So remember the centre point where the crosses meet. That's the next bit.
That way?
Yeah, that's it, that's fair. It actually would be better, see if you turn it over. No, see if you turn it over so that you've got, that's it, so the creases are facing you, first of all. Remember, this bit here, we're now, this is a cross in the middle, that's it.
Mine has that.
No, that's it, that's you, exactly what you want to do. So that's the centre bit here, and you're going to fold your paper down. So this is this bit here. You've done this one, you've brought the sides down, that's it exactly. So you're actually putting the horizontal crease through the middle cross. Yep, well done, Tom. Do you understand these? It's quite an easy, yeah. So this is where you put your cross on.
Yep.
Okay, and now you want to try and tuck a triangular tuck. So you're actually bringing this bit into the other bit.
Like that?
No.
No?
Just, yeah. This is where you turn on here.
Ah,
Like
right,
that.
okay.
What's that?
One more time.
Okay, so you're trying to make a, yeah. So this line here
Yeah.
and this line here
Yeah.
is what's going to make like that. Yeah?
Right, okay.
And so if you think this bit here, you bring down to that line, you've lost it again. So you're trying to make a wee envelope like that.
Right, okay.
Yeah? That's it, yeah,
And
that's
same on the
it.
other side, is it?
Yeah, that's it, exactly.
All right.
So, and then you're making a wee envelope like that. Yeah?
So it should look like that?
That's exactly, yeah.
Right, okay. Yeah.
This is going to be your wee legs at the back of your frog. That's it, well done. This is where you've got to think about your creases. Remember I said nice, sharp, precise crease, because that means it's going to be easier to fold in.
That frog might be a bit lopsided.
It's okay. I'm sure the kids will not mind at the half-day camp. Yeah, that's good.
Uh-huh.
Are you managing to do that? Okay, well that's one side, that's one side. Okay,
I'll bring that down
and then you're bringing this side down as well. Okay, so you're folding on that crease now, like that.
Right.
That's us. Nice sharp creases there, Tom. There. That's it. Remember what I said about this bit? This is your legs of your frog. That's it. Well done, Kelly. On here, this is a bit where you're folding it to here, and then you're folding it into a long triangle because that's the legs of your frog. Yeah. And then you've got this. You put it on its tummy, and then you're folding one side into the middle, and then folding the other side into the middle. Yeah. Oh, you're racing away there, Neil.
Aye.
Yeah.
Right, so we'll do that stage.
Next bit then, you're going to fold the one side into the middle and the other side into the middle.
Like that.
That's it, yeah. Remember you're a wee bit lopsided at the top, but it's fine.
And then fold that up. There, don't
Oh
you?
no, I need something here.
No,
This bit here,
Now fold the same.
you actually bring it up to
Ah,
the middle
that's
of the
right.
bit, because then this is the bouncy bit.
So then, fold it back.
Well done.
And put the same part in
Have you got a bit lost there now, Neil?
Yeah.
This
I
bit
messed
here,
up it, that's
yeah,
it.
you've got to bounce it, that's it. And Tom, do you want to take a wee pen and draw
Well,
some
indeed.
eyes on your frog? Have a wee pen to put some eyes on your frog. Can you have it onto that? Where are you? That's
Go
good.
there.
Yeah. So you were here,
The bottom bit's
like that.
Look.
That's it, because that's your wee legs.
Yeah.
So, and then you're bringing these up, because that's your leg here first. So do your wee legs first. That's it, well done. Okay, and this is this wee leg
It's not
again.
eyebrows.
Nice
Your
colour
leg.
for girls. Good colour, isn't it? Well done.
Okay, and then hold your wee leg up. That's it.
It's foreign.
And you can, that's exactly what you can do. You can just make it whatever shape and colour that you're wanting to make it. And fold that in.
If you could draw it.
That's it. Okay, you want to have some wee eyes on it?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fold it back to you.
Alright.
Oh, you're personalising it now.
Kelly's
Kelly.
showing off.
Yeah. And I've got some books, guys. if you want to have a wee look later on and see if there's other shapes or patterns you want to make. Okay? Maybe try one of them later this afternoon. Well done?
Let's have a race.